In the bustling city of Techville lived a young man named Brad. He had always been fascinated by the idea of making money online. Endless stories of people quitting traditional jobs and achieving financial freedom through the internet fueled his desire even more. One day, while scrolling through a forum, he came across a post titled, "Make Money Online, Unleashing the Top Passive Income Strategies." Intrigued, Brad began to read the post. It was filled with various strategies that promised passive income: affiliate marketing, online courses, e-commerce, and more. He delved deeper into each strategy, absorbing all the information he could find. While the strategies seemed promising, Brad was a critical thinker and couldn't help but wonder, if these methods were so effective, why wasn't everyone already living their dream life? Determined to find the truth, Brad decided to take a different approach. Instead of blindly following the strategies outlined in the post, he embarked on a journey to truly understand the underlying principles that made these strategies work. He spent months researching consumer behavior, market trends, and the psychology of online shoppers. As he dug deeper, Brad realized that the key wasn't just in following a single method, but in combining the right strategies at the right time. He also discovered that authenticity played a vital role. Many online marketers simply copied the surface level of successful tactics without understanding the genuine connection that successful online personalities had with their audience. With this newfound insight, Brad started experimenting. He launched a YouTube channel where he didn't just talk about different online money-making strategies, but also openly shared his successes and failures along the way. He engaged with his audience, addressing their concerns and tailoring his content to provide real value. Simultaneously, a digital product, an online course that distilled the essence of various passive income strategies. But unlike other generic courses, Brad's course was filled with his personal experiences, case studies, and an emphasis on the mindset shifts needed for success. His authenticity and holistic approach started resonating with his audience. People were drawn to his journey, his transparency, and his willingness to go against the grain. Slowly but steadily, his YouTube channel gained subscribers, and his online course started generating sales. Word began to spread about Brad's unique take on making money online. His story of breaking down the strategies and rebuilding them into something more effective became an inspiration for countless others. Soon, his success snowballed, and he found himself not only financially stable but thriving. One day, a friend asked Brad what had set him apart from all the other online money-making enthusiasts. Brad replied with a smile, "I realized that it's not about blindly following strategies, it's about understanding why they work and infusing them with your own story. It's not just about making money online, it's about creating a genuine impact and helping others while you're at it." The story of Brad, the young man who broke the strategy of making money online, became a testament to the power of authenticity, understanding, and the willingness to take a different path. His journey was a beacon of light for anyone seeking to navigate the vast landscape of online opportunities and truly unleash the potential of passive income.